All right, this question says select the most appropriate unit for each situation. So we have 4 situations, and for each situation we have 3 choices of unit. We have feet per minute, square feet per minute, or cubic feet per minute. So when you see this like feet over minute, that fraction bar, we can read that as feet per minute. So that fraction bar represents the word per. So it's telling you how many feet you can walk in 1 minute, how many square feet you can cover in 1 minute, or how many cubic feet you can fill in 1 minute. So if we look at situation 1, the rate of walking to school. So if we're just walking to school, the most appropriate unit here would be feet per minute. I can walk 20 feet in 1 minute. I can walk 45 feet in 1 minute. I can walk 30 feet in 2 minutes. So rate of walking to school would be feet per minute. Number 2, rate of painting a bedroom wall. So here, when we're painting a bedroom wall, we're covering that wall with paint, which means we're talking about area. And when we know that when we're talking about area measurements have square units. So if we want to pick the most appropriate unit for the rate of painting a bedroom wall, it would be square feet per minute. So how many square footage can I cover with paint in a minute? Square feet per minute. All right, number 3, rate of filling a bucket with water. So when we're filling a bucket with water, we're changing the volume because we're filling it up. And we know that volume has cubic units. So the rate of filling a bucket with water, the most appropriate unit there would be cubic feet per minute. And then number 4, rate of mopping the kitchen floor. This one is similar to the rate of painting a bedroom wall. When we were doing the bedroom wall, we were covering the area of the wall with paint. When we're mopping the floor, we're talking about covering the area of the floor with our mop. So this would be square feet per minute because we know area is measured in square feet.